The work that I do, basically, I go around to generally older folk who want to stay in their homes. They need assistance to stay in their home. They don't want to move. It's their home and you have to honour that for them.
I nominated Linda because she's an absolute inspiration to the company and for care. Her work ethos is phenomenal.
I do it so that these people, whether they're younger people or elderly people, can stay in the place that they want to be in. And I think they deserve to be able to stay in there.
You can't be doing this job unless you love the job, and she loves her job, and it shows through in how she does it, and from feedback from the service users, they absolutely adore her. She goes above and beyond all the time. If they're low one day, she'll stay that little bit longer just to have a little natter with them. She makes a huge difference in their lives, a huge difference.
It's very rewarding. It's the most rewarding job ever, really.